Hello, good morning. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's vlog, I'm going to be doing an ASMR, but this time I'm just going to do clicking sounds. So I had a subscriber that said please do an ASMR, like I think tap or whatever. So I'm just going to do clicking sounds, and I'm doing, like I said, when it comes to ASMR or any type of video, I only do videos that you guys are interested in. I don't want to do videos in a way that you guys are not enjoying. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm doing this for people who like ASMR, who likes any type of video that I do. Because I don't want to do a video that you guys are not going to enjoy and then I'm not going to want to do either. You know what I mean? So let me do this typing sound using my laptop, and then there's gonna be a video that ASMR video where I might do painting. I think this time I'll do it on my laptop because I mean I can't leave my laptop hanging. This is my baby right here. Like, this is my laptop that I used to film my videos on, you know. So I might do a painting vlog, ASMR painting vlog on this. Because why not, you know? I'm giving y'all vlogs that you want to do, you know? So I want to get it out of the way. So I'm not pressuring myself, you know? So let's get right into that video. Right. I'm going to be typing, ASMR typing. So I'm helping a patient. Hello, how can I help you today? You supposed to see who? Yes. Okay, your name on file is? Okay, and? Alright, so your next appointment date will be Monday at 2 o'clock? Yes. Okay, yeah.